we found out the following, that from the bill that had been submitted to us by the Kenya Power and Lighting Company, we had an outstanding debt of from 820 account numbers. As of 30th of July 2023, we had an outstanding bill of 95 million. Out of these, 303 meters were physically verified with a debt of about 65 million. And 437 account meters were not verified with a debt of about 29 million. Some meter numbers were noted to have been stolen, like one that had been stolen in Tala Bus Park, which was reported an OB number 21/15/11/2022. The meter number is 607-674-72. And we have noticed that that meter is actively being used somewhere across Machakos County, not by our own government, but people benefiting themselves, and the charges are being levied on the county government of Machakos. We have other meters that had been charged or billed on us in Machakos sub-county that were found to be faulty, with an outstanding bill of about 600,000. Some meters billed by Kenya Power to the county government of Machakos were also being used by other entities. Some by police posts, others by police stations, and others were even being used by some law courts within the county government of Machakos. Also written to national government agencies that are involved in undertaking the power connections, like REREC, which has been heavily involved in putting up flood masts that are being done by national government agencies. Meters are being issued under the name of the county government, but there is no concurrence with this office. So that going forward, anybody who is applying for power for any county government project must get concurrence from this department. We are also appealing to the public to give us information on stolen meters. We have realized that so many of our meters have been stolen and are in private use, but the bills are levied on the county government. We are appealing to our good citizens out there. Give information to our village administrators, our ward administrators, our officers on ground about anybody that is in your knowledge who is using meters that belong to the county government. We realize after they are stolen, some are using them in posho mills, others are using them in light industries, in their own establishments, but we have not been able to locate exactly where they are being used. So we have urged Kenya Power to also immediately stop, disconnect or disable those meters and stop levying charges on us. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you for your patience. Pole tumeweka sana.
Haya, na ripoti yo ni gukorwo igitutwara kahinda-ini gaitu kambere ga guikiria twambe twikirie ndugetikire